Hello, another addition to our School World Teacher website trainings. This one's going to be dealing with some HTML or some embedding. I'm going to show you how to embed a few things into your website to make it kind of pop and be kind of wow. Three things I'm going to teach you how to embed today are a YouTube video, your Google Calendar, and a Google Slides. There are many, many more things that you can embed into Teacher World, but that's the three things I'm going to take a peek at today. So how we embed is basically go to one of our pages. Could be site content, could be under applications, but it's going to be something that has either an intro message or some type of Word box, doc box. So let's start with welcome. Let's go to edit main page. So when we go to main page, we can see our title things that are there, and then we have we have a box down here that has the text on page in it, but there's a tab down at the bottom that says HTML. Most of us are used to the design tab, but when we click on the HTML, it changes a little bit. There's some code in there. There's some weird things that basically tell the computer and tell your website what to do and where to put things. In terms of the font, the placement, big, small, I'm going to show you how to use this to be able to put some code in to do YouTube videos, a calendar, or your anything that has an embed code. So let's start with the YouTube video. Now, it should be noted that any type of YouTube video, since YouTube isn't open to the kids, they will not be able to see it here at StartPoint. But if they were on a computer at home, they would be able to see it. So let's say I wanted to embed a YouTube video. I hit a couple of enters there to give me a separate space. I've already got a pre-YouTube video thing here. StartPoint High School did a lip dub a number of years ago, probably 5-6 years ago. And when you're on YouTube, there is some buttons down underneath the video that say add to, share, or more. You're going to click on share, and then you can see this embed button pops up, this kind of light gray menu. When you click on that, you're given an embed code. And you can right click on that and copy it, or as I'm doing, I'm hitting Control and C on my computer. Control and C copies that. I'm going to go back to my teacher page, and in the HTML tab, I'm going to paste that. And you can see it puts in this code there, and it starts with iframe. I'm going to save it. And then when I view my site, looking a little bit slow here. When I view my site, that YouTube video will be placed in the site that can be played by whoever visits my site. So it's a nice little thing to be able to put in there. But there are other things you can embed as well. Anything with embed code allows you to embed it. To get rid of it, I simply click over it like I would click on any kind of Word document there, hit backspace, and it would go away. And then hit save, and I'm good. One other thing we can embed is we can embed our Google calendars. So let's try that. Again, we're going to go to HTML. We're going to get our spot that we need to be. We're going to go to our calendar, and it's up under settings. We're going to hit our little gear wheel over here on the right, go to settings, hit calendars, and then we have to pick the calendar that we wish to embed. Let's say I want to embed this one. I'm going to click on it, and it gives me right in the middle, embed this calendar. So I'm going to highlight all this that's here. I'm going to hit Control C, or I can right click and copy it. And I'm going to go back to my teacher page on my HTML, Control and V and paste it, or just right click and paste, hit save. Takes a little bit. My calendar should pop up there. There's my name. Go to view site. Taking a little bit here. You can see there it is starting to pop in there. Go to view site, and now I have my calendar, my Google Calendar on my page. Takes a little bit to load. Boom, there it is. Nice little feature of it. One more thing that I'm going to show you how to embed is a Google Slides presentation. Again, if I want to get rid of this, I can do it two ways. I can put the cursor where it goes and hit backspace and it goes away, or I can just go into HTML, delete all my code, hit save, and it's gone. I'm going to show you how to embed basic slides, docs, sheets. They're pretty similar. I have a Google Classroom slideshow up here. It's located under File, Publish to the Web. It's kind of hidden a little bit. When I hit Publish to the Web, this other box will come up for Links and Embed. And it gives me lots of choices. How big I want it. Is it going to auto advance the slides for me? Start it as soon as it's loaded, restart it. There's a bunch of different things I can do with it. Again, I'm going to get into my code there, Control and C, or right click. See, I hit Control and C. And we're going to go back to my teacher page there. Again, we want to be in HTML. Paste it in there. Hit Save. It's going to take a little bit with a slide. Actually, that was probably faster than the calendar there. There it is coming up little by little. I'm going to go back up to the top once this loads. Hit View Site. And then as you see right inside where the site is, similar to where the YouTube video was, similar to where the calendar was, the slideshow, this is pretty large actually, is going to pop up. It takes a little bit to load. I actually used a slideshow that was pretty heavy in terms of slides, and there's our slideshow right on our page for people to see. We can do this with Prezi presentations, with PowerPoints, with Words, with all kinds of things. As long as you can find where the embed code is, this code that will pop up for you, you can put it inside your teacher webpage. Good luck trying this out, and hopefully you'll have great luck and it'll make your webpage really pop.